Hello guys, hope you are doing good. This video is for complete beginners who wants to know about Docker and how to install Docker in Linux Ubuntu Mission 20.04. So I go from scratch and you can follow this. I try to make it as simple as possible so that even if you don't have any knowledge about Docker, you will still able to understand the concept and install the tool in your mission and practice yourself. I'm Robert Lawrence. I'm working for an IT company and I have around 15 years of experience in IT. And recently I completed DevOps and I wanted to share my knowledge to the people who did not have privilege to learn the course and who wants to learn on their own. So I made it in a very simplified format so that you can learn it very easily. Like that, I am having different tools in every video and try to convey the message in a simplified manner. Let's start. In this video, I'm going to explain what is Docker. This explanation, I took it from Docker website, the official Docker website. By reading, you will come to know about this tool very clearly because they have given the information in a simplified manner. Docker is an open platform for developing, shipping, and running applications. It's very clear. Docker enables you to separate your applications from your infrastructure so you can deliver software quickly. Instead of running everything together, it separates the application and run in a different container so that it will be very fast. With Docker, you can manage your infrastructure in the same ways you manage your applications. By taking advantage of Docker's methodologies for shipping, testing, and deploying code quickly, you can significantly reduce the delay between writing code and running it in production. So that's a core concept of core agile concept as well as the core DevOps concept also. So instead of following traditional waterfall method, we use this method so that we save time, energy, cost, and other parameters also. Okay, you can download and install Docker on multiple platforms. Okay, and if you are new to Docker, it's always better to go to the official documentation page. In this place, it is Docker docs.docker.com. You will get clear information about Docker. Similar to this page, every tool in DevOps, they have the separate official documentation page. For example, if you want to know about Ansible, there's a separate page for that. And if you want to know about Kubernetes, there's a separate page for that. And if you want to know about Git, there is official documentation page. And if you want to know about Jenkins, there's official document page. So in my video, whenever I cover the topic, I always give you the official documentation page so that you can go and read there in a proper way. I mean, you will have complete information about all the information about that. What are the prerequisites and what are the OS and what are the other parameters you need to focus like that. Okay. Now, and moreover, you can install the Docker desktop in your machine, which will be really useful for you. So if you are using Mac, you can use Docker desktop for Mac. If you are using Windows, Docker desktop for Windows, and Docker for Linux, you can use it. You can install and use it. And moreover, when I speak about Docker, I have to add the point about this Docker Hub. Same like Git assets, GitHub or GitLab like that, Docker assets, Docker Hub. I will take a separate video and explain you what is Docker Hub, how to use it, how to install it, how to pull images locally, or how to pull the images from the Docker Hub, or how to push the images to Docker Hub. All the consequences, or all the different steps we can try with Docker Hub. I'll take a separate video and post it here. Okay. So in our case, we are going to install Docker in Linux Ubuntu Mission. So how to install Docker from the standard Ubuntu repository, how to enable Docker to start after the system reboot. And moreover, like there are many methods to install Docker on Ubuntu machine, but we installed using the standard repository method. And OS requirement, you should have Ubuntu Hirsute 21.04 or Ubuntu Focal 20.04 or Ubuntu Bionic 18.04 LTS. Okay. So before we proceed, I want to install the old version. In my video, if you are following all my videos, I always prefer to give the uninstallation process also, because if you install a package and if you want to practice again, it's always better to uninstall and again install, so that you practice yourself and you'll be more confident. And you should know, like if you are having a place to enter, you should also have a place to exit also. Okay, so that's the reason. So since I already installed Docker in my machine, I want to uninstall first, then I can proceed further with the installation. So I copy this command, paste it here. So it's asked, do you want to continue? Instead of saying yes, I just type capital Y. Yeah. Okay, it's gone. Then I go with this. To delete all images, containers, and volumes, you can use this command. Something wrong in it. The first command is enough, but if you still want to do this, you can do this. No problem. Okay. Now Docker is removed. I want to install Docker fresh. So before I do fresh installation, I have to check about this options. For example, I need to do this sudo apt-get update. Okay, paste. Okay, it's done. Then use the following command to install packages to allow the apt to use repository over HTTPS. So I copy this one. Okay, it's installed in US version. Okay, good. Then I copy this command. Use the curl command to add Docker's official GPG key. When you copy and paste this command, you should get the message OK. If you are not getting OK, or if you are getting some other message, then there is some problem. Okay, normally you should get OK message. See, here are the OK message. Use the apt command to install docker.io package. So I'm going to install this apt command. It's asking, do you want to continue? I say capital Y, yes. Then I want to start that. It's done. Sudo systemctl enable docker. Okay, it says that synchronizing state of docker.service with sysv init with that one install, and executing also happen. Enable docker. Okay, install enable docker. Then I want to check my docker version. Like Docker also has the same concept like other DevOps tools like Ansible or Git. Okay, so we take this command docker-version just to check that whether it's installed or not. Okay, then I need to check once again. Docker, probably I just put that wrong special key. Okay, let me check what happened there. Unknown shortened flag E. Okay, let me try once again. Docker version. Okay, David. Instead of that one, we can even try this hello command, hello world command, just to cross verify whether Docker installed properly and it's working fine. So I have some issue, I think so, but anyway, I'm 100% sure the Docker is installed. So what I can do is I can do this command, docker run hello world. If this runs properly, that means Docker installed properly. Okay, that's the other indication. Let me try this. See here, I'm getting a message here that docker run hello world. So unable to find the image hello world latest locally. Yes, it should not be there because I don't have any Docker image locally. Then it is pulling from library hello world, and I have this Docker image pull complete, and status downloaded newer image for hello world latest and hello from Docker. This message shows that your installation appears to be working correctly. So even though I had some issue with Docker version, this message is very clear that my Docker installed correctly. Okay, so in my next video I will show you how to install Docker Hub and how to make a connection between Docker and Docker Hub, and how to pull images from Docker, and how to pull different images from Docker Hub, or how to push images from locally to Docker Hub. Okay, this is same like how you do for Git and GitHub or Git and GitLab, like that. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and you are always welcome to give your feedback or your suggestions in the command field, and I'll be posting new videos about different DevOps tools in the upcoming sessions. And moreover, if you are new to this channel, or if you are new to this place, and if you are new here, if you never subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe, like, share, so that it will be very useful for the people who are learning, and it will be very useful for the people who do not have privilege to go to the institute and learn the course. Okay, so that's the intention, and thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Let's meet in a different video. Bye bye.